When you got technology to cut it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Ray.
And this is Max.
And this is Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this. The virus. It's basically our take on a screwdriver. So stay tuned, we're going to show you how to make it. We got Max as our bartender today. We're going to be doing 2 ounces of vodka. So Max, go ahead, pour it up for us.
Yep.
Awesome. Now that we've added the vodka, we're going to go ahead and put our 1 large ice rock in our shaker here.
Yeah.
Okay, step 2. We're going to be putting 4 ounces of orange juice. It has to be 100% pulp free. This one can be from concentrate, doesn't have to be freshly squeezed, doesn't matter. Just pulp free, okay? Max is hooking us up again. Thank you, Max.
Yep.
There you go, brilliant. And brilliant. Okay. Next, we've got 2 ounces of Sprite. Thank you, Max.
Sprite it is, Sprite it is.
And then we've got 1 ounce of Blue. I always screw up the name. Max, what is this?
Curacao.
Blue Curacao. There you go. Excellent. 1 ounce of that.
What's this?
Brilliant. So now, because we're using our shaker, we're going to go ahead and pop that on there. Going to give it a nice little shake. That way you know it's working. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay, we'll strain it. Put it in here.
Yep.
Excellent. Put a little bit of ice. Just a bit. Little straw, and we're done. There you go, Max. Go ahead and enjoy it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. This has been The Virus. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell, there you go. Don't fucking ring it, hit it. And please feel free to like and comment below. We drop new videos every Sunday, and stay tuned.
Cheers.